be using the A7 III. We're gonna be shooting with the 7200. We're gonna be using the everyday filter. This is just a regular CP. Okay, we're ready. A7 III with the 7200 and the everyday filter, just to give it that nice soft look. This is the GT3. I mean, this is the GT3, my bad. Then we got a GT4 right here. And the SF90. That is Curtis over there. How's it looking? I said, how's it looking? Is this more brush?
Little bird shit on it.
Oh, that's a nice shot right here. Bring the ISO a little lower, the lowest, and then adjust your shutter speed. 200mm. Oh yeah, there's a nice shot right here. Since we're shooting with the 7200. All the way down there. Get a nice slope. That's a cool shot. Be nice shooting the car all the way down there. Oh, that's a nice shot right here. That's a nice shot right here. I'll put it like right here where the shadow meets. So I feel like the way it's placed, but like right here, you know?
The nose facing right here.
Like just the way it is, but like right here, yeah. I feel like the sun and the shadow is gonna look really nice. Just the way it is, just park it right here.
Straight up.
So like right here. $200. That's a lot more compression. This thing looks so nice. I feel like with that background over there is gonna look really nice with the car. We got Jordan over here doing some video. Oh, we got another McLaren over here. He's chilling, going for a cruise. Let's get a quick shot of this one. This one looks so good over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's my first time using this mount. This is a 70. Shot right here. Shot right here looks nice. You see the logo over here. It's always nice to shoot it through the window over here. You can capture some pretty cool angles. Boom. That's very nice. Got a yellow McLaren. See, right here looks nice. 200. Huge compression. I'll go left a little bit. A little bit more. This is a nice shot right here. Turn the CP just to take some of the reflection off the windshield. And bam. Let's get a quick shot of this bike. Oh yeah, this shot looks nice. 200 always looks nice. Well, I'm shooting like 140 maybe. Looks pretty sick.
Damn.
I like the more
Man,
like
you
the.
snapped the bike. Yeah, bro. You like spotter shit, bro. Nah,
This
that's
is
fire,
sick.
that's
This fire.
That's fire.
Guess I'm just.
You gotta.
I don't know, I'm just shooting
Oh,
random.
yeah, you got the short stack.
That
in
wasn't.
there.
Yeah. Right there. That looks cool. It's a clean shot.
All right, we'll do that right quick. Let's set that
Yeah.
up. We're running out of fucking sunlight.
Yeah.
Honestly,
We could just do the.
the roller.
Yeah. Because I was thinking about coming back here again with another car and just use this spot to shoot one
single
car.
car,
Yeah,
yeah.
that'll be so sick. Yeah, I'll say put it in the back.
Bro, you're gonna have to lay down.
All right, I'm gonna sit down, so just go easy on it, right? Oh shit! Wait! This car's coming. I think we're good now. Hey, let me get off.